Hey, welcome to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa, and today we're going to be drawing a snowman. The first step I'm going to take is to get my ideas on paper. I'll sketch them out. After he's all sketched out, I'm going to show you line by line how to draw our cute little winter snowman. Here we go. The first step is to draw a curve like this, and then it's going to go up and around. It kind of looks like a weird banana or something. That'll be the top of his hat. For the rest of it, just come off the top and go all the way around, up, 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 and down, down. There you go. Now, make a line right there to close it off. And put one more curve right there. And for the little puff ball at the end, there's no wrong way to do it. Just make little curves. For his face, you're going to curve around and stop so we can get that nose in there, a little carrot nose. We'll want an eye and another eye. Now color it in if you want to. I'm going to make two little ovals right there. Draw a mouth, little smile. Now for the nose, draw a curve, and then we're going to go up and then up again, kind of make it angled for that carrot nose. Now that first line for the face, draw it until you hit the scarf, about right there, and close it up. Go a little past the head so you can make the scarf line. Go down, and then we're going to make a big curve for one of the tassels, and then a curve following that one. Close it off, and then a curve. We're going to curve down again. Make a line for the little tassels and circles on the end of them. That looks great. Just keep going with the circles. Perfect. Now let's close off this by rounding it to that line right there. And you can design your scarf any way that you want to. I'll make little lines. And then lines on the side. And then little smaller lines right here to finish it off. Looks good. Now let's draw the rest of his body. I'm going to make a guide point just right there. You can make one on your paper and draw a big curve that goes to it. Perfect. On the other side, just go back to that guide point, curve around, and stop right there at the bottom. Looks good. Now we got to have some buttons. Just make circles. Another circle, and just like that. And then inside, make another circle that's smaller for each one. And then you'll draw an X in the middle of each. That looks great. I want to go back to my eyes. I'm just going to use a white gel pen and make some little marks. I'm going to decorate the hat. I like little polka dots. You can make circles. And then it's time to color it in. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe for brand new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye!